Welcome to Study Zone 360. Today's motivational speech title is Grow at Your Own Speed. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that everyone else is moving faster than you? Have you ever felt left behind? Have you ever looked at others and thought, why am I not there yet? If yes, this message is for you. Today, we are not here to rush. We are not here to compare. We are not here to feel small. Today, we are here to remember one simple truth. You are allowed to grow at your own speed. Life is not a race. Many people treat life like a race. They believe faster is better. Early success is the only success. Slow progress means failure. But life is not a race. There is no finish line where someone wins and someone loses. Life is a journey, and every journey has a different pace. Some people walk fast, slowly. Some stop to rest. Some change direction. All of them are still moving. Slow does not mean weak. Let me say this clearly. Slow growth is not weak growth. A tree that grows slowly has deeper roots. A deep root makes the tree strong. Strong trees survive storms. Quick success looks beautiful from outside, but strong growth lasts longer. If you are moving slowly, it doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are building something real. Everyone has a different clock. Your life has its own clock. Not your friend's clock. Not your family's clock. Not society's clock. Your clock. Some people find success early. Some find peace later. Some discover purpose after many mistakes. All of this is normal. There is no universal timeline for life. You are not late. You are not behind. You need to be right now. Comparison steals peace. One of the biggest reasons people feel unhappy is comparison. They compare their beginning to someone else's middle, their struggle to someone else's highlight, their reality to someone else's image. Comparison does not motivate, it hurts. When you compare, you forget your progress, you forget your effort, you forget your strength. Your journey is personal. No one else can live it for you. Growth is happening even when you can't see it. Sometimes growth is invisible. You may not see results. You may not feel improvement. You may think nothing is changing. But inside you, patience is growing. Understanding is growing. Strength is growing. Seeds grow under the soil before they appear above the ground. Just because you can't see growth does not mean growth is not happening. Pressure is not motivation. Many people push themselves with pressure. They say, I must succeed now, I must be perfect, I must not fail. But pressure does not create growth. It creates fear. Growth needs space. Growth needs patience. Growth needs kindness. When you are kind to yourself, you move forward with peace, not pain. Your pace is not a problem. Let me tell you something important. Your pace is not your problem. Your pace is your nature. Some people bloom early. Some bloom later. Some bloom quietly. Flowers do not compete with each other. They bloom when they are ready. You are allowed to bloom in your own time. Rest is not quitting. Rest is recovery. Rest is preparation. Rest is self-respect. If you are tired, slow down. Overwhelmed, pause. If you are confused, breathe. Rest does not erase progress. It protects it. You are learning, even from mistakes. Mistakes are not delays. They are lessons. Every mistake teaches you what does not work, what you need, who you are becoming. People who grow slowly often learn deeply, and deep learning builds strong futures. You don't need to prove anything. You do not need to prove your worth. You do not need to rush to impress people. You do not need to match someone else's speed. Your value is not measured by how fast you succeed. Your value already exists. A calm reminder. If today you feel slow, lost, or unsure, remember this. You are still moving. You are still learning. You are still becoming. pause here. Breathe. This is only the beginning. Feeling left behind is human. At some point in life, almost everyone feels left behind. You see others moving forward. You see their success, their progress, their happiness. And quietly, you ask yourself, why not me? Why is my life slower? Why am I still here? These thoughts are normal. Feeling left behind does not mean you are weak. It means you care about your life. What you see is not the full story. Remember this, you only see a small part of other people's lives. You see results, you don't see struggle. You see smiles, you don't see fear. You see success, you don't see sleepless nights. Comparing your full story with someone else's small moment is unfair to you. Slow growth builds strong character. Fast success can feel exciting, but slow growth builds character. When you move slowly, you learn patience, discipline, self-awareness, emotional strength. These qualities stay with you forever. Success without character is fragile, but success with character is powerful. You are not late. Life does not work on one schedule. Some people succeed at 20, some at 30, some at 50. Some people find peace early, some find it after many struggles. There is no right time for life. There is only your time. Fear often comes from rushing. When you rush, fear grows. Fear of failure, fear of mistakes, fear of judgment. Rushing creates pressure. Pressure creates anxiety. When you slow down, fear becomes quieter. You begin to think clearly. You begin to trust yourself. Calm. Knox, small steps are powerful. You don't need big actions. You need small steps. One page read. One skill practiced. One honest try. Small steps taken every day create big changes over time. Consistency matters more than speed. Knox, your journey is teaching you. Every slow day is teaching you something. Teaching you patience, teaching you humility, teaching you strength. You are learning lessons that fast success never teaches. One day, you will understand why your journey took time. Let go of other people's expectations. Many people feel rushed because of expectations. Family expectations, society's expectations, social media expectations. But these expectations are not your truth. You don't need to live someone else's dream. You need to live your own life. It's quiet. Sometimes life is quiet. No big progress, no big success, no big signs. Quiet does not mean empty. Quiet is preparation. Roots grow in silence. Strength builds in silence. Trust the quiet moments. You are not failing, you are forming. When progress is slow, it may feel like failure, but it is not failure. It is formation. Life is shaping you, teaching you, preparing you. Formation is invisible, but it is powerful. Be gentle with yourself. Please be kind to yourself. Speak gently to your heart. Forgive your mistakes. Accept your pace. Growth needs kindness. Harsh words slow you down. Gentle words move you forward. You will get there. You will reach your goals. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day, grateful that you grew at your own speed, because you will be strong enough to handle what you receive. A calm reminder before we continue. You don't need to hurry. You don't need to compete. You don't need to prove anything. Just keep going. Slowly, steadily, honestly.